Hello, Sakafete. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some scones. If you want to see how I do this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. I love scones. It's one of my favorite things to have with coffee or tea. I've never made them. I made the different, like a Caribbean style one, but not the British one. I found the recipe at Sally's Baking Addiction channel, and she did a beautiful blueberry scone, but I'm going to make cranberry orange. The link to her channel is listed below in the description box. All right, so let's get baking. So this is very simple. I didn't realize how easy it was to make it. All we're gonna do is we have the flour, we're gonna add our baking powder, salt, and sugar. Here I have my orange zest, and I'm just gonna add that into the flour mixture as well. So all the dry ingredients, we mix them, and then we do the wet after. Next thing we're going to do is add our butter out of the freezer. It's nice and frozen, and we're going to grate it. So next thing we're doing is just adding the butter to the flour. So let's see if this turns out good. I'm going to be making this all the time because like I say, I really do like scones. All right, so now we're just going to mix it all in. That should be good now. You don't want to overdo it, overwork the flour. So I'm going to leave this in the fridge still until I'm ready for the other ingredients to mix it. So we're going to mix our wet ingredients. So we put our cream, and then we're going to put 1 egg to that and some vanilla. We're going to whisk that around. So we're just going to add this wet ingredients to the flour mixture. We're going to add the cranberries, and then we're just going to mix it up. So we're just going to bring it together, and then we're going to just pour it out. You work it in like this. Next step is just to get some cream and just brush it onto the dough. And then next step, we're gonna put some sugar, rough, coarse sugar on top. All right, so guys, while my oven is heating up, I'm just gonna go and put it in the freezer so it stays nice and cold. Look at that, they look so good. All right, so let's see guys, look at them, they look really good, and I can smell the orange in there. And let's see what it look. Oh, look at that inside, looks really good. Let me see what it tastes like. Perfect. I'm really happy how it turned out, and I'll definitely make it again. I'm going to be making different flavors. And here it is guys, our delicious orange cranberry scones. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have yourselves a great day and God bless.